In Metula, at the peak of the war, we had an average of 20 alarms, 30 alarms a day. They were using anti-tank missiles directly hitting houses. We have 640 houses. They damaged severely over 400. Metula is the northest point in Israel on the map. I say, first of all, facts. It's the most beautiful place in the world. Not in Israel, in the world, okay? When you come visit Metula, next step, Lebanon. And by next step, I mean that the fence of our community is the border with Lebanon. Before October 7, it was super hard to find a house to rent in Metula. It was blooming. And after what happened in the last 2 years, the new reality looked terrible. When we came back to Metula, there wasn't one street that was still flat. Everything was gravel. Metula, in a good day, has over 2,000 people. And I'm saying on a good day because since we came back, we're not even close to this number. I think there's like 800 people here now. We need strong, thriving communities to define this border, but also to hold it. If people are not here, or in the worst scenario, are leaving the border is moving with the people. It's not staying, and that we cannot afford. Living in the north border of Israel, you know the potential danger that exists on the other side of the fence. We have to do whatever we need to do in order to make sure that people can actually live here safely. In that sense, we cannot allow Hezbollah to rebuild itself. At the end of the day, if we understand how important this border is to Israel as a whole, we understand that we need people to come back. And if you want people to come back, they need to know that it's going to be safe. We knew we need to say what real life here looks like, and also enhance the uniqueness and the added value of choosing to be here. We established a civil forum that has thousands of representatives throughout the Galilee. And what we have done is organized the people on the ground to introduce the Galilee with a new narrative, why we are here, why we have to stay here. We're hoping that the north of Israel will become strong as it's supposed to be and as it should be. It is our greatest opportunity to make life here better than it used to be even before. In hectic times, you really have to make a conscious decision to stay and raise your family here. It's a different sense knowing that you define the borders of this country. And if you love this country, it means a lot. For me to stay here, there is no other choice. What we're doing here now is Zionism 2.0. We are, in many ways, restarting again. There is a ground full of opportunities like never before. It's like the beginning of time. So if you want to be a part of a community that has a lot of strong people, welcome to Metula.
Ladies and gentlemen, Liat Cohen-Raviv.